Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making safety non-negotiable. Shut power and confirm 0 volts with a meter before you touch anything. Once done, remove the stabilizer cover and photograph every connection for reference. These images prevent wiring mistakes. Next, use labels to tag live, neutral, and ground conductors and note phase sequence if 3-phase. With insulated tools in hand, loosen terminal screws only far enough to free wires. Do not remove the unit's mounting yet, because stability helps avoid accidental pulls. You now proceed to the complex exchange. Loosen terminals and carefully pull labeled wires free, keeping each conductor organized on a tray or tape. Once wires are detached, unbolt the stabilizer from its bracket while supporting its weight so nothing falls or tugs on the wiring. Place the new stabilizer into position and align its input and output terminals with the original layout. Make sure the ground lug is accessible. Connect ground first, then route wires to minimize crossing and stress on terminals. You finish by making secure, precise connections. Tighten each terminal to the specified torque and recheck phase order and polarity before closing the cover. Once everything is fastened, restore power and watch input and output voltage with a meter as the AC completes a full cooling cycle. Look for stable output within the stabilizer's rated range. Make sure the unit stays cool and there are no unusual noises. If the stabilizer trips or output is erratic, cut power and recheck wiring and grounding. Pour ground or swapped phase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.